Today we discuss some special type of graph. First one is regular graph. Regular graph means all vertices have equal degree. For example, the given graph with vertices A, B, C, D and 4 edges. Here degree of A is equal to 2, degree of B is equal to 2, degree of C is equal to 2 and degree of D is equal to 2. That is, all the vertices are same degree. Similarly, a complete graph is a regular graph. In a complete graph, Kn, in a complete graph with n vertices, each vertex has degree n minus 1. So, complete graph is also a regular graph. Next, what is cycle graph? Cycle graph, the cycle Cn, cycle graph is represented by Cn of length n. Length n means it has n vertices. A cycle graph Cn of length n greater than or equal to 3 consists of n vertices v1, v2, etc. vn and the edges v1, v2. That is, if you start from v1, v1 to v2, v2 to v3, etc. vn minus 1 to vn and vn to v1. That is, for example, C3. C3 is a cycle graph with 3 vertices. We start from v1, v1 to v2, v2 to v3 and v3 to vn. That is in the form of a cycle. C4, it's a 4 vertices cyclic graph. C6, it's a 6 vertices cyclic graph. V1, we start from v1, v1, v2, v3, v4, v5, v6, then v1. So it is also a cycle graph. Next we define wheel graph. A wheel graph Wn is a graph formed by connecting a single universal vertex to all vertices of a cycle. Universal vertex means it connected to all the vertices in the graphs. Here in W5 means 4 vertices connected to another vertex. Here all other 4 vertices connected to this vertex. So the central vertex is called a universal vertex. And here 5 vertices, we represent it as W5. Here W4 is a wheel graph with the 4 vertices. Here the 4th one is connected to all other. Next one is bipartite graph. What is a bipartite graph? Now consider an example. Here the graph G with the vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4. Okay. If we can divide or partition this set of vertices as 2 sets v1 and v2. The first set v1 is equal to x1, x2, x3, x4 and v2 is equal to y1, y2, y3. And v1 union v2 is equal to whole vertex set v and v1 intersection v2 is equal to null set. That is, a simple graph G is called bipartite if and only if its vertex set V can be partitioned into 2 disjoint sets V1 and V2 such that every edges in the graph connected a vertex V1 and a vertex in V2. Because a graph is bipartite only when we can bipartite this vertex set and also there is an edge from the vertex V1 to V2, not to the vertices of V2 itself. Okay. So there is no edge in G connecting vertices V1 itself. Okay. So x1 connected to y1. That is a vertex in v1 connected to a vertex in v2. So here x1 y1, E1 is x1 y1. What is E2? x1 y2. So connecting like this, x2 y2, x1 y2. Next E3 y x2 y2. So x2 y2. What is E4 x2 y1. And next E5 is y2 x3. And E6 is x2 y3. And E7 is x3 y3. And E8 is x4 y4. So we can draw this graph like this also. Here we can find the partition of V1 and the vertex at V into V1 and V2. There is no edge between the vertices of V2 or the vertices of V1. There is no edge between x1, x2 or x2, x3, x3, x4. In a bipartite graph, there is no edges connecting a particular vertex set. Okay. So bipartition means we can partition the vertex set into two sets V1 and V2 such that every edge in the graph connects a vertex V1 and a vertex V2 so that no edge in G connects either two vertices in V1 or two vertices in V2. Okay. Next is complete bipartite graph. A complete bipartite graph with m vertices in one vertex set and n vertices in another vertex set denoted by k, m, n, and every vertices in the set V1 join to every vertices in set V2. Then it is complete bipartite graph. For example, K23. That is, first set contains two vertices and the second set contains three vertices. Then it is a complete graph. So every vertex in the set V1 connected to every vertex in the set V2. So V1 connected to all the vertices in V2. Also V2 connected to all the vertices in V1. So this is a complete graph K23. What is K32? The first vertex set has three vertices and the second one has two vertices. Then join each vertex in V1 to V2. Then we get K32.